there are 5 basic list operation. Okay, the first one is concatenation, the second one is repetition, the third one is length, and also the fourth one is membership, and the last one, which is the fifth one, is iteration. So we can iterate through the list and we can get the element. Okay, so I'm going to give you a real world example, okay, so you can understand them better. So imagine we have this cities, and also I'm going to add a number here to a list of number. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, just this one. So the first one, which was concatenation, so we can concatenate this two. Okay, let me create another here, so another list. Okay, this another list is going to be cities plus numbers. Okay, now if I print another and save it, you will be having something like this. Okay, we have Mumbai, all the city with this element. Okay, so this is how we can concatenate two list. Okay, and also we have membership. Okay, after concatenation we have membership, which is another operation that we are going to use. So let's go and handle that. So in here we're going to check it. Okay, we can use an if statement here. Okay, you don't know what is an if statement, don't be worried, we will cover through this course, you will learn that better, but today just see this example to learn the membership. Okay, so if for example we have which one should I check? Okay, let's go for it with the first one. It is Mumbai, right? Mumbai or Mumbai. Okay, just something like that in the list that we have here. Okay, cities. Then let's print just exists and see if it is going to work or not. Yeah, it is giving me exist, and this is the membership. Okay, and also you have to remember, we know the membership operators. Okay, we had in and also not in. Let's go and check the not in. If Mumbai not in this part, okay, let me change this to Mumbai like this, not in the cities, then we are going to tell this that not exist. Okay, when I save it and run this, you will be seeing that not exist. Okay, because we have some mistake here, which is Mumbai. Before it was IA, but now it is AI. Okay, it is how we check the membership. Okay, it will return true, and when it is true we can check the statement here. Okay, and we can give some kind of result. And the other one is that we can we can use iteration. So what is the iteration? Iteration is loops. Okay, we have while loop and also we have for loop in Python. We will be covering those loops through the course, but now I'm going to just give you an example of using the iteration, okay, within the list. So let's use a for loop. Imagine we have an element or a variable. It's called x. Okay, I'm going to check this for x in cities, and right in here I'm going to print the cities. Let's save it and run it to see what is it going to give me. Okay, it is giving me, okay, this 4 times. Why? Because for each of this element it is giving me the whole city. Okay, right now what if I print just the x? When I print just the x, it will give me only each of those elements. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, use Control S, and now you see that it is giving me Mumbai, Bangalore, China, and Pune. So it is how we can iterate through a list. There is another thing, which was what was that? That was repetition. Okay, so what is the repetition? Okay, the repetition is something like this. We have again this another. Okay, it's going to be equal to 3 multiplied cities. Okay, and let's print this another and see the result of the repetition. Okay, so you see we have repeated these cities 3 times. We have Mumbai, Bangalore, China, Pune, and again we have Mumbai, Bangalore, China, Pune, and also Mumbai, Bangalore, China, and Pune. So it is how we can use a repetition with a list, within a list. Okay, we have one more thing. What is that? That is the length of a list. How we can get access to length of a list. For example, we have a variable called L. It is going to be equal to the length of cities. Okay, so this will give me the length of the cities. So let's print this and see the result. It is giving me 4, and if I count 1, 2, 3, and 4. So as you see, we have 4 elements. That means that 4 is length of the cities list. Okay, so I hope you understand this perfectly.